Energy healing is a traditional healing system that restores the balance and flow of energy throughout the body, mind, and soul. Direct interaction between this method and the physical, emotional, and spiritual facets of well-being is possible. It is used to treat a variety of medical disorders, particularly those that are mental health related. It deals with illnesses brought on by disturbances in the body's energy flow. It is thought that when the energy flow is corrected, the patient is naturally healed. A person can be healed using a variety of energy healing procedures, each of which has a unique healing effect. Here are the 5 most famous and powerful energy healing techniques. Reiki healing. The Japanese terms Rei and Ki, which signify energy and God's wisdom respectively, are combined to form the name Reiki. To treat a disease, this therapy is given to a patient in addition to conventional medicine. In this form of therapy, people are helped by using energy or ki. The universe's energy is channeled through a variety of hand gestures and symbolic representations to heal the body. Ailments like colds, the flu, headaches, and stomachaches can be treated with Reiki. In critical disorders like heart disease, it is also highly effective. Qigong. Qigong therapy is performed to restore the body's lost balance. Qigong, which has a 4,000 years history, consists of breathing exercises, meditation, and coordinated body movements to promote health and spirituality. The therapy, which has its origins in Chinese medicine, is supposed to balance the body's positive energy, which is necessary for good health. Quantum healing. The foundation of quantum healing therapy is the resonance and entertainment principle. Breathing and visualizing the flow of energy raise the body's energy level. Quantum healing has positive impacts on the immune system and is not just a spiritual practice. Pranic healing. Utilizing the body's life force to heal the body's energy is the core of pranic healing. This treatment focuses primarily on a person's aura or body energy. This therapy uses energy to remove toxins from the body, hastening the physical healing process. Crystal healing. To remove pollutants from the body throughout this healing process, stones and crystals are employed. These stones and crystals address various physical, mental, and spiritual issues in different ways depending on how they interact with the body. Negative energy is repelled from the body, which impairs both physical and mental health. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.